Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of solving graphs. This is standard 7.6G in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 5 of the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So, Maribel is surveying 55 people to find out their favorite types of music, so they go ahead and give us the total. That's nice, we don't have to add them up. And we've got, let's see, we've got 15 countries, so let's go ahead and make that 15 out of 55. And then we've got jazz, so that's going to be 12. Go ahead and make that out of 55. Opera, 10 out of 55. And then rock is 18 out of 55. So we've got all of these, and the problem is this is the number of people, it's not the percentages. We need to find which combinations, could be 2, could even be 3, C and D are 3, make 40%, but 55 is our denominator. That's a really strange denominator. It doesn't really reduce easily. So let's see, let's just take this country right here, right? Let's take this country, 15 out of 55. We could reduce it if we wanted to, so let's divide it by 5s. So that's going to be 3/11ths. But if I want to turn that into a decimal, watch what happens. So you divide your 11 into 3. Right, so we're going to do this here. So 11 goes into 30 twice. There's 8. 11 goes into 88 7 times. So that's 77. But look, now we're doing a 3 again, and that's going to go in there 2 times. 22. And that's going to be 8. We've already done this. So this is actually 2 7 2 7, or we can just call it 2 7 repeating. So that's just very strange decimal. It's going to be hard for us to work with. So I have a feeling if I divide a lot of these, I'm going to get these repeating decimals, and that's not going to be easy to work with. Let me try one more just to see if this works. So I've got 12 out of 55. That can't even be reduced. So if I want to figure out what this is, right, I have to divide 55 into 12. It goes in there 0 times. 55 goes in 120 twice, and that's going to be 110. And that's 100. Let's see. So it goes in there once. 55, and that's 45, 450, and that's going to be 8 times, I think. So look how weird this is getting. I think it's times 8. 440, yeah. So now we're down to 100 again. So this is going to be 0.2 and then the 1/8 repeating. All right, so this strategy is not going to work. But check out what we can do. We say, you know what, there are 55, here's our backup plan. 55 total people. I need 40% of it. Well, I know 40% equals 0.4. So I just want to multiply 55 times 0.4. See, what does that actually mean? 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the 2. 220, but remember, I got 1 digit behind the decimal. So I need 1 digit of the decimal. So 40% actually equals, I need 22 people. Well, that's a lot easier, because now I'm just going to look for combinations that make 22. And look at this right here. I can make 22 with my jazz and opera. That is an option here. So if you get stuck with all of these repeating decimals and they just don't seem like they're working, maybe try another way of multiplying the percent by the total. You get your answer here of B.